So let's take a trip down memory lane to one of the most amazing events to happen in Imo State. It's actually a church crusade. Evangelist Chukwuebuka Obi of Zion Ministry hosting a massive crusade that drew millions of believers from all over the world. Evangelist Chukwuebuka Obi of Zion Ministry absolutely shut down Imo State with millions of believers from all over the world in attendance. Now, this is not like the reason why I'm doing this video today. Why are we talking about this today? In this particular video that is making rounds online, he pointed out that during the crusade, over 3 million people gathered in Imo State. And guess what? Not a single person left harmed. Everything went smoothly and it was a massive success without any issues. We've all heard about the insecurity issues in Imo State currently. In fact, Imo State has often been labeled the most insecure of all the southeastern states. So, with what this man is saying, does that mean Imo State is finally free from the insecurity that has plagued it for years? Well, if so, that's a huge win for the people that live in Imo State, and major kudos to Governor Hope Uzodimma for turning things around. For years now, the stories have been pretty grim, but Evangelist Chukwuebuka Obi's visit and his words during his meeting with Governor Hope Uzodimma paint a different picture.
Saw more than 3 million people in that gathering. The gathering was the largest so far in the whole of Southeast.
He made everyone understand that whatever they heard about Imo State and its insecurities are all mere rumors and they are not true. According to the evangelist, everything we've been hearing about the insecurity in Imo State might just be exaggerated. So during the crusade, over 3 million people were present and there wasn't a single incident. Now, this raises an important question. Is Imo State finally getting past the insecurity challenges it has faced for so long? Well, if so, that's fantastic news for everyone living there. And of course, a big shout out to the governor, like I mentioned. We'd love to hear your thoughts on this. Do you think Imo State is truly turning a new leaf? Let us know in the comments below. Just take a moment to listen to what Evangelist Chukwuebuka Obi said about the security situation in Imo State. It might just change how you see things. And for the Imo State residents, please let us know how bad the insecurity is in the state. Is it getting any better? Okay, before we wrap up, we've got a few reminders for you. Don't forget to join the Ebonyi People TV community. We've got so much in store for you. From Monday morning news highlights to live game shows, podcasts, and more. You definitely don't want to miss out. A huge thank you to all our viewers for your continued support. Your likes, your shares, and comments mean everything to us. And we'd love to celebrate you too. Do you have a birthday coming up? If you do, well, DM us with your picture 2 days before your D-Day and we'll give you a shout out on the channel. Also, if you're planning an event, whether it's a wedding, burial, anniversary, or festival, reach out to us for coverage of these events. We've got you covered with top-notch services both within and outside Ebonyi State. Do you also need equipment rentals? We at Ebonyi People TV can also handle that too. Our team is ever ready. Just call or WhatsApp us on the number now showing on your screens. Thanks for sticking with us and we'll see you in the next video.
And the unique thing about it is that nobody was harmed coming, but with the kind of security and protection, no bad news. So it has given our state another good name, that what people are saying out there that Imo State is not safe. With this kind of people, because every part of the world was present, the whole continent was present. So everybody now on social media, you will see people say, oh, we don't know that what we are hearing on social media is not the way it is, that Imo is saved. And I must appreciate you for the security, everything. They saw a helicopter flying around the prayer ground, the confidence, even the white people that came from different continents, they had confidence. Because I told them to come that there will be no problem. And they came and saw.
I want to thank Almighty God for today. That this man of God that is highly sought after all over the world is in my office. He decided to extend this ministry to Imo State. The coming of this ministry to Imo State comes with a lot of advantages. add to our internally generated revenue. It will strengthen the local economy here. It will increase our desire to make Imo State the tourism attraction of other states in the southeast. So I am indeed very happy and glad. You have also used the occasion of yesterday and day before to show the whole world that people can again come to Imo State. I am here as the governor of the state. I know the challenges already facing you. But I can assure you that those are not challenges. We will solve all those challenges. Every profession comes with envy. Some people are very happy, not only because of the spiritual gains that will come with your locating to Imo State, but the increased traffic that will follow, and the awareness it will give to our people, coupled with the blessings that God will give to us for playing host to your ministry. So I will talk to everybody to understand that we need your presence in the state and that we are willing to give you every support to make your coming to settle here easier and faster. So, and I want to urge the entire people of Imo State that the government and the people of Imo State are happy to host Zion Ministry in Imo State. I'm happy to be a landlord. And again, to know that Ebuka Obi is from Imo State is an additional reason